Welcome to our licensegallery.com video. Today we discuss Imunify360. This is a powerful security solution that provides a comprehensive and multi-layered approach to server protection. Imunify360 is designed to protect your server from malware, intrusions, brute force attacks, and other malicious activities. Imunify360 works by using a combination of technologies including a web application firewall, WAF, malware detection, and intrusion prevention system, IPS. The WAF provides a layer of protection that monitors and filters incoming traffic to your server to ensure that malicious requests are blocked from reaching your server. The malware detection component of Imunify360 scans your server for any malicious code that may be present and quarantines any malicious files before they can be run. The IPS component of Imunify360 monitors and blocks any suspicious network activity, such as brute force attacks on your server. You can buy Imunify360 license in cheap price from licensegallery.com. The price of Imunify360 is only $1 per month, and licensegallery.com offer free install and configure of Imunify360. Check website link in below description. See you on next video. Thanks.